Hi, this is Lance, and this is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Well, that's a lot of 20s. And the topic for this session of Apartment Wealth Nuggets is connecting mom and pops. Connecting mom and pops. You know, the news right now, they're talking about a second tranche of funds for the PPP, the Payroll Protection Program, which is designed particularly to help struggling mom and pop operators of smaller businesses. Well, that's us, right? And why is there so much emphasis on the mom and pops? Because mom and pops, we're the ones who create most of the jobs in the country. We are the foundation for the economy in the United States. And so I bring this up because this was a topic that was on my mind. It was coming out of our boot camp last week, and I was sharing with the participants, the virtual boot camp, is that in this niche of small apartments that we're in, one of the unique aspects of it is mom and pops. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, first of all, the owners of small apartment buildings, these are 2 to 30 unit buildings, these are mom and pop operators. They're mom and pop businesses. And they're having the same struggles that any mom and pop business is having right now. The concerns about the rent being paid, being able to pay the mortgage, they're just like any other business. At the same time, our investors, the private investors that we raise to help us buy property, are mom and pop investors. The mom and pop are the individual who has a self-directed IRA or cash they pulled out of the stock market, and they're looking for a place to put it where they can earn some return on their money. That's the opportunity that's come for us. Is our job is really connectors. We are connectors. So for example, for that mom and pop landlord who has that small apartment building, maybe all the rent's not being paid. Maybe now there's not enough income coming in for mom and pop operator to pay the mortgage. What are they going to do? Well, if they don't have much in the way of cash reserves, they really don't have many options because they can't go to a realtor, they can't sell the property. So what are they going to do? We can help them with an injection of cash. Where's that cash coming from? We're going to raise it from other mom and pop investors, and they're going to loan us the money to inject into these mom and pop real estate operations. I'm going to tell you right now, this is going to be rampant across the country, whether it's real estate businesses or brick and mortar businesses or any kind of business. This is this situation. Mom and pop businesses are struggling right now many times because they don't have adequate cash reserves. And there's going to be private investors coming into the scene to inject cash to see the business through. And of course, they don't do that for free. There's expectation of getting a return on their money, whether it's equity in the business, whether it's loans. Those are the details that vary case by case. But that is the opportunity right now. It's going to be you and me as the mom and pop entrepreneur identifying the mom and pop landlord or owner who needs some help with cash reserves and then raising those cash reserves from mom and pop investors. That's why I say our job is we're connectors. We're connectors. We bring together, as I always taught, deals and dollars, and then we benefit, keep the mom and pop operators going. Some of them are going to want to just exit. They're going to raise their hand and say, I want out. That's just outright purchase. But for the ones who want to stay in and could use our own private stimulus package, we're going to do that by connecting mom and pops together. And it's been what the entire economy is built upon, and that's what's going to be happening going forward in real estate and in businesses. And so as we start, coming out of COVID, we start coming out, I want you to be thinking about the role you're going to play in this economy. Are you going to be the investor? Are you going to be the connector? Or are you going to be the new owner operator? Or are you going to be all three? Because that's the opportunity going forward today. Hey, have a great week, everyone. Bye.